In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom photo gallery to your Wix website. This process will make your site more visually appealing and engage your visitors by showcasing your images in an organized and attractive way. Whether you're highlighting photography, artwork, or products, a photo gallery is the perfect way to exhibit your content to the world. Let's dive right in. First, open your Wix account and navigate to the site you want to edit. Once you're in the Wix editor, you'll see the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Click the Add button, represented by a plus sign, to access the various elements you can add to your site. Search for Gallery in the search bar. Here you'll find numerous pre-designed gallery layouts that Wix provides. Choose a layout that suits your style or the feel of your website. Each layout offers a different look, so take a moment to explore which one fits your brand best. After selecting your gallery layout, the gallery will appear on your web page. Don't worry about the initial appearance, you can easily customize it. Click on the gallery to select it, then click Manage Media. This will open a window where you can upload your images. You can add photos directly from your computer or use Wix's built-in image library for additional options. While uploading, keep in mind that high-quality images look more professional and keep visitors engaged. Also, name your files appropriately to help with your site's search engine optimization. With your images uploaded, the next step is styling your gallery to fit seamlessly into your website's design. Click the Design button in the gallery settings. Here you can customize the layout style, change the spacing between images, adjust border settings, and modify other elements to ensure your gallery matches your website's look. Take some time to experiment with these settings as they can greatly affect how your images are perceived. Finally, after setting up your images and styling the gallery to your liking, it's important to check how it appears on different devices. Wix allows you to toggle between desktop and mobile views. Make sure the gallery looks great and works smoothly on both, since visitors will access your site from various devices. If adjustments are needed, spend extra time fine-tuning the mobile version. And that's it. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.